My name is Pooja 𝗏𝗏. The collection's name is 𝗤𝗏𝗃𝗲𝗏, which is a gender-fluid streetwear line.
I like the collection. I like the inspiration and its implementation. There is something here that can be developed, mentored and taken to the ramp is how I see it.
I also found the kimono look decent. It's interesting, and yes, you have kind of taken the inspiration and you've converted it and you've made it your own.
Winners are Pooja 𝗏𝗏 from INIFD 𝗏𝗏.
I would like to thank INIFD Corporate, the jury panel, INIFD 𝗃𝗏, all my faculties, Surinder sir and all my friends who helped me throughout the journey. This was a great experience for me and I never came out of my shell. This was a good platform for me and helped me come out of the comfort zone.